What's up, cool cats? And for some of you, it's the cooler cats out there for this message. I'm leaving the gym, and literally for years, there's been a few things that have really been burning my belly. And two topics in particular. I'm going to discuss one today because it's really come to a head. But I might be completely losing my shit here. But the more I get involved with social media and trying to figure it out, and I get more of these followers that are these Insta famous trainers, not to mention the newer talent that we have in these gyms and in these clubs. When I talk to them, or at least try to talk to them, they don't resonate with a guy like me because they don't want to listen to a guy that's trying to educate them, right? But it seems to me that they're just always concerned about proving to everybody else that they're the best, and they're always right, and they're perfect. So if you're watching this, and I'm talking to you, I'm describing you, well, I hate to deflate your egotistical tires, but that's impossible. This is your wake-up call. This is your check yourself. I've been enhancing people in fitness and lifestyles for over 20 years, and I'm still learning. So how are you always right? How do you know everything? Here's what I know. Someone is always better than you at something. And if you take a look at all the components that it takes to become and be a personal trainer, the mechanics, the knowledge in nutrition, motivation, supplementation, sales, marketing, corrective exercise, performance-based strategies, contest preparation, the list goes on and on, doesn't it? So someone is the expert in every one of those fields. Personally, I know an expert in every one of those fields for the most part, and I continue seeking information from them and from certification courses and from seminars from experts that know their shit and sometimes make me fall flat on my face with the information they deliver, right? Fortunately, it's the whole of these components that make you as a trainer. Your worth is the sum of all of your parts, and the fact that someone is better than you at something is great. Those are the people that you're lucky to still learn from and still gain knowledge and wisdom. And that's only if you have an open mind and don't claim to know it all. Now, what I really want to hammer away at in this message is that for all the know-it-alls out there, what you don't know is that there's no universally right or best answers or training styles for everybody. Okay, there's only the right or best answers and training for that certain someone. And we're all so unique and individualized as our own entity. So with my own eyes, I'm seeing trainers training all their clients the same way, the same exercise selection, the same tempo, the same format. That has to change. You have to learn. I even frequently, or sometimes, hand off my coaching clients to another trainer because they're a better fit. And it has nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with the person that's in need. Okay, we're not robots, we're not androids. We don't get trained the same way. You gotta start learning. And if there's anything that I've learned that I can teach you is that the information in our brain is only good as the actions that you are able to produce in your clients. I know I get worked up about this and I just get really passionate about this topic, but I'm gonna pull off to the side here so I can focus. But ultimately, the reason you may be the best fit for someone may have absolutely nothing to do with the type of trainer that you are, but has everything to do with the type of person that you are. The potential person that's in need for a healthier lifestyle or positive change in their life just may resonate with you as a parent, as a wife, a husband, your sense of humor. Maybe you're a motivator. Maybe you like vegetables. You both like vegetables, so you have something in common. Whatever the case is, you need to absolutely hone in on your craft. No one wants a lazy, lethargic trainer that sits on the sideline during a session playing on their phone. That's my second topic, by the way, which I'll get into in another message that just burns my belly. But you need to focus on as much how you convey the information and how you connect with people, but the quality of human that you're trying to be. Because experts like you, let's be honest, they're a dime a dozen. And it's the other stuff that can really separate you from the pack. Don't worry about always being right or being the best. Just do the best you. Only put the information out there that you know and that you're passionate about in a manner that you like doing. Be genuine, and you might just be surprised how successful you're going to be.